like a stock.
Ready to go?
It looks a little bit larger than stock.
Okay, hey, my name's Wayne Harper from Highland, California. This is a 1970 Dodge Dart 340 Slinger 4-speed. I bought it new in San Bernardino in February of 1970. Had it for 5 years, sold it, bought it back, and been working on it for 2 years. This is almost all original paint except for the hood. It's all original, 340, 4-speed, the interior. One of these different that you can see are the Kragers, and I put those on right after I bought it.
How much you pay for it?
About $3,200. Bought it at Inland Center Dodge on East Street in San Bernardino.
On East Street even.
Pete Collins.
Let's take a look at the motor there. Anything you did to the inside there?
You know, the motor was rebuilt at a place, 5th and Del Rose in San Bernardino. It's bored 40 over. It's got hardened valve seats for the unleaded gas. And it's got Edelbrock intake and a high-performance Mopar cam. Other than that, it's basically stock. But it's fast. At least it's fast enough.
Yeah, let's take a look inside.
This is the original color, but I got new material from year one and reupholstered it and new carpeting, but it's the same dash and same headliner, same door panels. Basically, it looks exactly the way I ordered it from Pete Collins.
Can we start it up?
Sure.
Oh, it's quiet, huh?
Yeah, it's got a set of flow masters, but they're not the noisy flow masters.
Sounds good. That's where the foot scoops dump out.
Yep. You can see it lines up, I think, with the air.
Yeah, if I remember right, mine had
4 people back in 19. Not 4 people, but I mean, it was reasonable, like a road rider. Yeah, exactly. What did it cost?
that's the original paint of the block right there.
It's original block. It's all original.
Original radiator.
Yeah, original. Original carburetor in it.
Original carb. What kind of carb?
It's a Carter ABS air valve secondary.
ABS. Four barrel?
Yeah.
Big secondaries?
So, you know, I don't know. It's whatever came on it. It works fine. It runs. You know, Chrysler engineered these cars pretty well. You got to be pretty good to improve on what Chrysler's engineers did.
Yeah, I've run ABS and AFBs.
This probably run high 13s, low 14s, just like it sets. But I'm getting old, so
I'm gonna take you up on that. I'm from Missouri. We have to show me.
Oh, I don't drive it hard. I can't afford to break it.
Bunch of goats. wave, man. You gotta wave. The guy with that drain on, isn't it? That dude with that drain on, man. That dude is loud.
This one?
Yeah. That motorhome. Oh, he's got neon. He's gonna be in the neon this year. That's what he's doing. That's the Volvo.
Hey, how's it going, man?
There we go. Let me get a little closer to you. He's going, what the heck, Dad? You gonna wave for the camera?
I'm over there, man.
You gonna wave?
Papa. Bamboo.
You gonna wave to it? That's a cool car you got. You got a horn? You got a beep beep?
Right.
He's driving. He's going. He's cruising.
Yeah, Papa.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Train horn guy. I'm gonna kill that guy.